What's up, guys? This is your boy Money Squad, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make money online. But before we get into the video, be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm brand new to it. I haven't even uploaded a video yet. The only reason I'm doing this right now is because I'm going to show y'all how to make some money. So smash that like button if you want to learn how to make some money, and let's get straight into the video. So the first site you're going to go to is called slideshare.net. And this is what it's going to look like. So what you want to do now is you want to go over here to this sign up button, and you want to click sign up, and you want to join LinkedIn. It's so fast. It only takes like 3 minutes to join, and it's absolutely free. So just go ahead and join them. And you want to make your way back over here to SlideShare. You want to click on that login button, and you want to log in with LinkedIn. So once you're logging in with LinkedIn, you see them articles right there? How they got 1,778,000 views. 160, 609,000. But let me tell you what these guys ain't doing. See, these guys are not putting their link in their article to promote their product, to sell it. Imagine, see all them views? Imagine if half the people clicked on his link and purchased it, how much money he would make if 520,000 people bought his link or bought his product. He would never have to worry about going to work again. Because this product I'm going to show you is going to be bringing in so much money, it ain't going to be funny. So smash that like button and comment if you want some money. Alright, so let's get back into the video. Alright, so once you get here and signed in, what you're going to do now is you're going to make your way over to another website called plr.com. plr.com. Alright, and this is what it's going to look like. So be sure to pause your video and write that down. And PLR stands for private label rights. All right, so private label rights means that you can get web content. It can be used for backlinks. It can be sold. It can be modified in any way. You can put your name as the author. What? Come on. And it can be rewritten using software. All right, you see all these links right here? See all these links? There's a different article for every niche just about it out there. But the one we're going to be focused on is affiliate marketing. See, let's see. Once you click that link right there, or that article, we're going to be finding something for newbies. Let's see. But if there's any people on this channel that's new to affiliate marketing, I'm going to drop a link in the description below. Just click it. It's a done for you service. And they'll give you the rundown about everything that you need to know. But that's a different time right there. But what we're focused on now is this affiliate marketing. So let's find something for the newbies. All right, here's one right here. 3 easiest ways for newbies to start an affiliate marketing. Boom, click it. You see that article right there? All we're gonna do is we're gonna copy it. So let's just go ahead and copy it. Boom. Let's go ahead and copy that. What you want to do now is you want to go to Microsoft Word. And once you get to Microsoft Word, if you ain't already got it, just go ahead and download it. You get the first month free, then it's like $69.99 a year after that. But who cares? You can cancel it anytime. So once you do that, go ahead and make your way over to Microsoft Word. Open it up. I've already posted my article here. But once you post it there, what you're going to do now is go to a website called Digistore24. Digistore24 is who's going to be paying you when you embed your affiliate link into this article. All right, so let's go check that out. All right, let's see. So boom, we go to digistore24.com. And all you're going to do is click on register now. It's free. It takes like 5 minutes to register. What you're going to do is you're going to click on affiliate, because you're not going to be a vendor because you're not selling anything. We're just promoting. You're going to put your username in. Your affiliate link's going to automatically pop up after you put your email and password and your time zone and all your bank information and stuff like that. But once you sign up for them, just go ahead and click log in. And once you log in, you're going to go straight to the marketplace. I got some important information. But you want to go straight to the marketplace. And we're gonna go promote the Overnight Millionaire by Wesley, $1 billion Virgin, because he's been a great mentor for me. He's taught me everything I know. I'm not even the type of guy that is on YouTube and wants to do this stuff, but he's changed my mindset, and I've actually made so much money with him that I want to be a leader, and I want to teach y'all guys now how to make money just like I am. See, but once you create your account, your affiliate link will pop up, and this right here is going to be your affiliate link right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click that, copy it, and you're going to go back to your Word doc, Microsoft Word. And this is when we're going to start embedding our links. See, I've already done it, but what you're going to do is you're going to go right here where it says affiliate marketing, and all you're going to do is right click and put your hyperlink in. Boom. See, I've already done it, so anyways, I'll do another one. So you go here to affiliate marketing, right click, hyperlink, paste it, and boom. When they click that right there, it's gonna take them straight to the product, and you get paid if they buy it. But other than that, when you scroll all the way to the bottom, all you're gonna do is put, hey, want to know how to make an extra 10K per month? Go here and put your affiliate link. And this is gonna get so many views, guys, it ain't gonna be funny. You're gonna be able to quit your day job. If I'm giving you massive value right now, smash that like button and subscribe and hit the bell notifications for more content that I'm gonna be posting almost every day. So comment if you want to see more videos like this. But once you embedded all your affiliate links into this article, go ahead and go back to slideshare.net. All right, go ahead and go back here, and all you're gonna do now is you're gonna go to upload. It's so easy. Once you go to upload, mine's on the desktop, so 1 second. Just gonna drag your file over here and upload it. All right, change the title of it to 3 easiest ways to make for an affiliate to start. Boom. Once you do that, you're gonna go to your description and basically just put the same thing as your description. And your category is gonna be internet, public. Your privacy is gonna be public, and your tags. This is important. Be sure to listen. This is why I said don't skip the video, because this is the important part. This is what's gonna be discoverable when they search for your article. So your tags is gonna be, let's say, affiliate marketing. Well, marketing is one of them. So we can click marketing, say affiliate marketing. See, it already pops up and say make money online. Make money online. And you see that discovery score is pretty high right now. But the more you put in your description, let's see. But all we're gonna do now is just publish it. That's it. It's pretty high right now. It can go up higher the more details that you put in your description and your title and your tags. But these tags is all you really need, because that's all it's based on, is making money, affiliate marketing and marketing. So just put more details in your description and your title, and you'll be set to go. You can raise this bar all the way up. See, it's pretty high right now, but all you got to do now is just hit the word publish. And once you publish it, you're going to be getting views like crazy, guys. With that being said, this is your boy Money Squad, and I love you. Peace out.